All right, welcome back. So today's topic will be, what if I want to insert a YouTube video in a Moodle learning and teaching platform? This is what you need to do. You select your own video, the one you like, first of all. And in the share button here, you have share, and then this embed. This is the link to the video itself. You can copy it, but you don't need that. What you need is embed. This is what you need, this code. So you copy that code from YouTube, whichever you like. Then we go here. For example, if I would like to insert this particular video in this section or in this page in Moodle, so all I have to do is just go and edit the page that I have already created. Okay, so here I go to my page on nutrient deficiency, and then you can type anything you want in here, like for example, instruction to the students, please review the following video, and I want this video to be embedded. It's not linked. I don't want students to go to YouTube. I want the video to be here. So if you don't see the codes, you just click here on the toolbar. You'll see all the codes here. And then this is what you are looking for, edit HTML source. So you go here, click enter, paste the iFrame in here, and then you just say update. There you go. Now you have your video embedded in your page, and all you have to do now is just save and display. That's it. You can see now your video in. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. Thank you and good luck to you.